Welcome to the Insurance Brokers Podcast Helpful Hints. Here we break down the best, most informative bits of our full-length interviews.
So insurers generally didn't deal very well with sending everyone working from home. Their technology wasn't right. It was very clunky. It was very difficult. And then post-pandemic, insurers have wanted people back, but people want more flexible working. So there's fewer people in the office, which means potentially those people are not learning from each other and not developing in the same way as they did. And insurers are big companies. They take a long time to move. They're like blind juggernauts sort of hurtling into the sun sometimes. It's very difficult to change their direction. And the pandemic has meant we've all had to change direction. We've had to be more nimble and we've had to change the way we think. One of those is to accept flexible working, to accept that people can work from home, you can trust them to do so, and you can have a successful business with a mix of the two. So I think the norm in our industry is that people are still grappling with this. Some are forcing their workers back and not really thinking they're going to do anything if they work from home, thinking the only way to control them again is to bring them back to the office. And some are operating on more successful hybrid models and embracing the new norm. We, I believe, fall into that latter category. We are embracing the new hybrid as the new normal way of working. But even we, who think we're quite innovative and nimble, are finding that we're starting to see people sort of coming into the office for only the 2-day minimum that we suggested we'd want to see people in for. No one's doing any more. And that's fine because they're the rules that we set out. But we just worry, like others in the industry, that we might be losing some of that culture and development and some of that brilliant stuff you get by all being in the office together as a team and hearing everything going on around you. So I still think there's a huge balance. There's loads of work to do. I think the insurance industry is trying to catch up with it, but I don't think it's anywhere near there yet. And I think that servicing problem that brokers are finding from insurers potentially comes from the fact that hybrid models are not working quite as well as they might.
Thank you for listening. If you have enjoyed what you have heard, have any questions or feedback, please leave us a review and we will be sure to get back to you. If you would like further information on how Boston Tullis Group can support your business, or if you would like to join us on an episode, please do not hesitate to contact us.